Hey guys, my name is Steve, and today I'm going to be drinking an entire Diet Pepsi can without burping. Alright. It already filled, guys. Before you drink it. Okay. This is a dumb idea. Okay.
Keep it down. Did
she fail? Let me know in the comments if she failed, guys. I don't think she did, so if she didn't burp, she spit it all out. So.
I just burped. It wasn't loud, but... That's never burp, I promise. It was a cough.
Oh god, it's hard to keep it down.
To make you feel not alone. Did you call me?
No. Oh god.
Gotta keep it down. Turn up since 3rd grade, we're good.
All over the camera. Okay, hold on. Oh my god, it's hurting. I think I might fart it all out instead.
You got that huge burp at the end. I'm dying.
Stop, it made me laugh. I'm gonna burp everywhere and then lose the talents. My stomach's starting to go. I was in this can.
There's one like stuck in there.
I did it. Oh! I did it without burping, guys. Oh my god, my stomach's hurting.
Let it, buddy.
Alright. Does that mean I win, chat? I don't know if that means I win, but make sure you comment on the video, please. Please, bro.
At the end.
Alright, I'll let you prove science wrong, guys. You can definitely drink a Diet Pepsi without burping once, alright? I don't know if that proves anything or not, but whatever.
Definitely.
Alright, I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye-bye!